My name is Isaac Torres here in Las Vegas with Battleborn Specialties. So this project is by Woodside Homes. We're here to show off the 2-hour fire-rated wall assembly. It's one of the first projects here in Las Vegas that are giving it a trial. So far it has been very successful. It has solved a couple of the issues that we have with the build process. So some of the performance goals for this job and what this FRM is doing for the builder, it's adding energy efficiency to the building, higher sound control, and of course the 2-hour fire-rated assembly that it creates between the two units, which also adds value to the schedule. And there are some cost savings there because we are able to do it a lot faster than what we were used to. A huge factor for us contractors is coming back and having to repair insulation because the third-party inspector failed us, or we're losing time with the builder because we've now failed an inspection, have to come back, lost a day, inefficient way of insulating before. This is a third-party inspector, so gaps, voids, and all of that was a big factor before. With this FRM product or the Sanctuary on the exterior walls, we were able to solve that. Not only does it help with, once again, I will harp on this, energy efficiency, sound control, but it's also grade 1 insulation. As you can see, it's nice and flush. This is the FRM product we've been talking about. Once as it's being applied to the wall, it's worked by our equipment in the truck. It's very soft and fluffy, but once we apply it to the wall at about a 3.7 pound density per square foot, it becomes very dense, and that's where all the properties of fire rating and sound attenuation come in, as well as the air infiltration. Our inspectors love it, our builders love it, and our homeowners love it. And we've never failed an inspection.